what's up you guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay, and welcome to episode number 10 of my How to Makeup for Beginners Back to Basics series. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply powdered highlighter. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. In last week's video, I showed you how to apply mascara in a clump-free, smudge-free, and easy to understand way. Now that brings us to our next step in our makeup application, and that is to apply highlight. We are on the home stretch, guys. This is the second to the last video in this Back to Basics series. We are now to that step that everybody seems to be obsessed about, highlighter. We all love highlighter. If anyone out there doesn't love highlighter, I mean honestly, who are you and what are you even doing playing with makeup if you don't love highlighter? Everybody loves highlighter. It is a beautiful, glowy, shimmery way to just really pick up any makeup look and really finish it off and make it stand out and shout out to the crowds that you are glowing, honey. While there are plenty of methods out there for how and where and why to apply highlighter on your face, I'm going to keep this video super simple, to the point, and beginner friendly. So before I get into this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on social media if you so wish, and it's all Life as Kikay on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now, basically, the places where you want to apply your highlight would be the high points of your face. Just think of the areas that would look beautiful reflecting if the sun were to shine upon you and you just want to look like a beautiful glowing goddess. Think of those areas. Those would be the tops of the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, and under the brow bone. These are the main areas to highlight. You could also highlight smaller areas of your face, such as the cupid's bow, which will add instant volume to your lips. And applying highlight to the inner corners of your eyes will also open up your eyes and make them look a lot more bright and instantly jazz up any eyeshadow makeup look that you're wearing. If you're wanting a more glowy, luminous look without the intense shimmer, then you could use an iridescent highlighting powder such as the Hourglass Ambient lighting powders. These ones are not very shimmery. They're more of a luminous face type of powder that will leave you with a beautiful highlighted glow. So for today's video, in my highlight step, I'm going to be using the Milani Cosmetics strobelight highlighter in the shade Sunglow. Again, there is no one right way to apply your highlighter. You can use a precision highlighting brush. This one is the Morphe JH02 brush, but I do prefer to apply my highlighter with a sponge. I feel that applying it with a sponge gives me more control as to where I am applying the highlighter and applies the highlight in a little bit more of a sheen rather than a chunky glitter, which I find the brush tends to leave behind. So before I go in with a bit of highlighter, I'm just going to quickly spritz my face with a bit of setting powder. Dampening your face with a bit of setting powder before going in with your highlight will make the highlight powder apply even more shimmery and luminous on the skin. Now I'm going to go in with my makeup sponge and pick up some of that highlight and gently tap this on the high points of my face. So we're wanting to go on the tops of the cheekbones. So once I've laid down that initial highlight, which is very nice and intense, I'm gonna go in with the base of the sponge and gently blend in those edges. If you like an intense highlight, you can obviously go in as heavy as you like. If you want a more subtle highlight, obviously use a more gentle hand. Glowing now! If you find you went a little bit heavy with a highlight like I did, go in with a little bit more of a spritz and then just pat it in even further with the bottom part of the makeup sponge that doesn't have any product on it. And that will just further diffuse the highlight, but it's still there. Now, these are the main areas to highlight. You can also highlight the minor parts of your face, such as the cupid's bow, which will add instant volume to your lips. And also applying highlight to the inner corners of your eyes will make them look even more alive and bright. applying highlighter has gotten a little bit out of hand and it's kind of overridden the blush that you might have there, you can go in again really lightly with your blush brush and just sort of reapply that blush there, and blending it into the highlight will give it such a very pretty, healthy, glowy, flushed look. This is one of my favorite things, to apply blush, then apply the highlight, and then blend in the blush again with the highlight. Now, I talked about how to apply blush and bronzer in another one of the episodes in this series, so I'm going to leave the playlist of this series linked in the description box down below so you can check out all the other videos in this series. Now, if you're wanting a more glowy, luminescent look for the rest of your complexion, then you can use an iridescent highlighting powder such as the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder over the areas that you have already highlighted. While this Milani strobelight highlighter is a lot more shimmery and metallic, this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder is really more of a complexion powder that will just give your skin a little bit more of a luminescence. So I'm just going to be using a very light fluffy brush and buff it into the skin until it looks like it's polished. And just like that, you are now glowy and hoey and brighter than the sun. That's basically it on how to apply highlighter, you guys. For next week's video, we are going to finish off this whole entire makeup look with some lip liner and lipstick. If you guys enjoyed this video on how to apply highlight, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Please turn on the notification bell, slap it, hit it, punch it, knock on the door of this notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on social media if you so desire, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and all of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank heavens we're almost done. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judie here with my life as Judie. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judie here with... Why does my face look so broad? Back to basics. Apply highlighter. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply. Now, that brings us to our next step in our makeup application. And just like that, you are glowy and hoey and bright.